Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
Everybody has Christmas today. Can you read what is written there? But look at her, how happy she is. What you got?
This is bracelet.
And what is written there?
Love. Oh!
Love it. Я не могла удержаться уже.
Как-то заметьте зумом.
Я тебе не смогу пока помочь застегнуть талию.
I am injured from yesterday. I will take my rest day of Sunday. My knee is a bit from yesterday, so I don't want to force it. Now we will prepare ice bath. Some ice. These two guys are totally frozen. Look. A bit more ice. A bit more ice. And more ice, so this will be a really this is the iceberg. This will be really cold. This now will be really cold. This is all still ice. Okay. Now I hope it will go down on 2 degrees. That's what I want to achieve. So the water has now around 3.5–4 degrees Celsius. I will do an experiment how long I can hold my hands inside. 13. It's kind of cold because the hands and the feet are the worst, so I want to train this part a bit. Like now you can understand the relativity theory from Albert Einstein, that time is relative. This minute is very long. I feel like needles in my bones going deeper and deeper and deeper, and the blood pressure in my head is just growing. I feel very warm in my head. Tough. But I don't feel my skin at all anymore. I don't know, like my hands would be in a press or something like that. And if you talk, you distract a bit your attention from the cold, so it helps a bit. And of course the blood circulation is, you want just every second you want to take it out. And if you move it, it's just worse because then the water is colder. Okay, now I will take it out because it starts to be really strong. But I start to understand the pain. Almost 2 minutes. It's like you would want to put your body to conserve it for the future, to hibernation. I will try it one more time. So now I'll try it again. Still 3.5, 4 degrees. Yeah. First your skin starts to freeze completely. And then slowly the needles goes in your bone. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Now I feel like the Knochenmark, now it's super painful. But after a while you get used to it, if you get used to it. But now it's really painful. Actually you have to get used to the pain, because it's like some pain, you know. And when you went over this pain, now it's 1 minute. So after 1 minute it starts to be more casual. It's still painful, but you start to get used to the pain. But watching the timer is not a good solution. 1.5 minutes. That's good. Now you're already over it, you just have to wait the time to pass. I mean, now it's like 30-40% the pain what you have in between the first 30 seconds and 1 minute. And now you start to get a warmish feeling on your skin. But the problem, I sit on my veins. Now it starts to be a bit normality. Very interesting how the body adapts. You still feel like 1,000 needles on your skin, but your bones are not so bad anymore. Now I have 2.5 minutes. Almost. Time is passing very slow. But yeah, I think if you talk and you think about something else, for example, 2 by 2 is 4, some algebra theories. Now let's check if I can see the 5 minutes. Because now you are kind of used to the pain. Now it's more like itching, starts to itch the skin. And of course I'm not moving my hands, so... But I'm pretty sure with the whole body it's a bit more different. But usually for everybody the hands and the feet are the worst part. Because they're the blood. I propose that because there the blood circulation is not so good. Now I have 4.5 minutes. So if I do the 1 more minute, I'm very happy with the result. Then I have to practice with my feet. I'm curious what for color will have my hands. So we have 4.5 minutes. Yeah, I can easily do now the 5 minutes. But I think 10 will be tough. Because now starts to hurt, the bone starts to hurt again. I have 3, 2, 1, and I have the 5 minutes. I can move my fingers, but the skin is like with glue. I start to feel how the blood goes back and the itches go away. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Half of the feeling like you have it in the water, so it's still painful. Your brain doesn't really observe that your hand is out of the water, but it's still super painful. And now it starts to be a warm painful. Before it was a cold pain, now it's a warm pain. The color is still the same. Good, I start to move it a bit. Yeah, I think it's all about the mindset and some practice. Yeah, it starts to be hot. I don't really feel the fingertips still, but I remember when I was a child and we was playing outside in the snow and our finger was completely frozen. We had similar situations like this. So cool. I could not believe 5 minutes. I think it's a good time for the hands, which should be the worst. For me, the feet are the worst, so I will try a bit with the feet and then we can do the whole body. So now I will train a bit my feet, because this is also a very delicate subject. This is something I dislike the most. I really dislike it. So you saw the ice pieces and everything. Feel my face. So at 1 minute I go inside. 57, 58, 59, 60. Yeah, so feet are the worst. It's kind of deep till my ankles. Now they start to get cool and cooler. Now the pain starts after 20 seconds. The skin is cold and now the bone starts to get really cold and it feels like you have some knife or big nails in your bones. This is really painful. Now I have 45 seconds. Uncomfortable, painful, like your legs are in a press, you know, when it's under pressure, and your bones, like they would have 100 needles from every direction going inside. Yeah, I'm waiting for this heat wave or warm wave. I have 2 minutes, no, 1.5 minutes. I said I want to do 2 minutes first, but I still have 20 seconds. Painful. 15 seconds. I don't know, with the hands was a bit easier, but the first time was also very bad. The second time was easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 degrees water. Okay, I will do a 5 minutes break and then I try it again for 5 minutes. We will see. 2 minutes was quite okay, but again, from second 30 to 1 minute and something, it's hardcore, really hardcore. Okay, I have just 50% battery, so legs was a bit harder than the hands. So let's see. I will do one more round for trying to do 5 minutes if I can or not. Then I bring more ice in the water and then I do the whole body. So I did the 2 minutes. Now let's check if I can do the 5. It will be painful sore, so whenever 30 seconds, let's go deeper. So 4 degrees water, full of ice pieces. And let's see how long I can stay now. 15 seconds, the pain starts really strong. So yeah, as usually from second 30, it's the worst pain. I think till the bone gets to a specific temperature. 1 minute. Now it starts to get okay, but yeah, the first minute is the worst. Now it's again pain as hell. Oh wow, wow. Now I have 1.5 minutes. I was thinking now the pain is gone. A bit at least. Actually, you have to distract your brain to bring your thoughts somewhere else, like in meditation, or whatever is something bad, to just bring your mind somewhere else, or change your mindset, or your but it will be not better like in with the hands. Actually, the snow was also very weird, because after 2 rounds, how much could that be? 1.5 minutes? I didn't feel my feet anymore. Now I have 2.5 minutes. Yeah, but now the pain starts to be smoother. Now it just starts to be boring. That's the point. That way we need to talk about something. Tell me something interesting. What you want to know about this challenge, training. Yeah, I could never. Yeah, I knew this. I knew this. This challenge in snow. After sauna, usually you came out from the sauna, and if you had the possibility, you jumped in the snow, so to cool down the body very quickly. And I was once in Frankfurt am Main. That was very cool when I was studying there. I went to a sauna, and in Germany, and in there was one sauna with 110 degrees, and next to it it was a chamber where it was minus 30 degrees, and this was really cool. And I went from plus 110 to minus 30, minus 30, plus 110, minus 30, plus 110. So this was a really cool experience. But yeah, after 3 minutes it's you can do it longer. It's not very casual, of course, and it's not a pleasure, but it's not so painful. Like from second 30 till 1.5 minutes, it's the second 30 seconds. So from 30 to 1 minute it's really bad, then the next 30 seconds are quite bad, and then it starts to be softer and softer. I have now 4.5 minutes, so yeah, I can do the 5 minutes. Now I'm curious if I can do with the body the same. So I did with my hands. First I did 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. Now I did with my feet 2 minutes, and now it will be 5 minutes in 30 seconds, but I will stay a bit longer, because now it's super easy. Now I can stay. If I have something to do, I can stay 10 minutes. Yeah, the water is dirty. I brought some ice from outside and some stuff. Now it's just to not be bored. And I have 1% battery, so now I have the 5 minutes, sorry. Okay, let's do this and then full body. So temperature, yeah, 3.5, 4 degrees, so below 4 degrees. It will be a long minute, that's for sure. 1:25, 26, let's go through it. That's really cold, but if you go through 30 seconds, the elbows are hurting very much. Elbows is crazy. Crazy.